The swollen Ravi, Beas, and Satluj have created a havoc in Punjab. Havoc, which is one of the worst floods in India since the year 1988. The floods have impacted more than 2.56 lakhs and has created a devastation in Punjab, abiding by the Sikhi concepts of Pana Manna and Chardi Kala. There are many communities like Khalsa Aid that are offering enormous help to Punjab. There are many Punjabi singers and actors who have come in front to help the Punjab in dealing with the challenges due to the Punjab flood. CCEO faces its own floods that are challenges in terms of फंडिंग की कमी, market shifts, economic downturn, talent loss. So all of these challenges are to be faced by a CEO. So how can the concept of Chardi Kala be applied to these situations? The swollen Ravi, Beas and Satluj have created a havoc in Punjab. Havoc, which is one of the worst floods in India since the year 1988. The floods have impacted more than 2.56 lakhs and has created a devastation in Punjab. However, in spite of dealing with such an havoc, the Punjabi community is dealing with the worst floods with sympathy, empathy, resilience and courage. They are abiding by the Sikhi concepts of Pana Manna and Chardi Kala. There are many communities like Khalsa Aid that are offering enormous help to Punjab. There are many Punjabi singers and actors who have come in front to help the Punjab in dealing with the challenges due to the Punjab floods. But still, when reporters go and ask questions to these Punjabis that how are you dealing with the situation, what has actually happened to them, they answer with a smile, they answer with optimism. So what is the strength that is keeping them happy in such devastating situations कि सब कुछ जो उन्होंने इतनी मेहनत से बनाया वो सब उजड़ भी रहा है उनके सामने. There are many clips on the internet where you are seeing Punjabis doing seva while knowing इतना भी उनके पास था वो सब खत्म हो गया है. तो ये क्या है? This is the spirit of Chardi Kala. Government is not supporting, but Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee is offering langar to the flood victims. Also, in the present state, the flood victims and the flood affected area seek enormous help from the Punjab community living all over the India and even outside, that now they are saying that they don't need these essential goods anymore. Currently, they are in terms of surplus in terms of these essential goods. उनके पास इतना आ चुका है राशन, मेडिसिन्स कि वो अब कह रहे हैं कि और मत भेजो. ये भी तो चढ़दी कला है. दिस कैन ओनली हैपन इन पंजाब. तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कि ये चढ़दी कला है क्या. चढ़दी कला इज अ हाई स्पिरिट दैट कीप्स यू ऑप्टिमिस्टिक जब आपके आसपास चाहे बाढ़ आए, चाहे तूफान आए, चाहे कुछ भी आए. आप अपने आसपास स्टॉर्म्स होने के बावजूद भी you will only see the good in the situation and you will try and face that storm with utmost optimism and आप कोशिश करेंगे कि कैसे आप उस तूफान में से बेहतर बन के बाहर निकलें. And that is what Punjabis are doing. They are doing seva. किसी रिपोर्टर ने एक शख्स से पूछा that how you keep yourself optimistic and you're saying that you're in Chardi Kala. How you keep yourself optimistic and in Chardi Kala between so much happening around you. They say along with doing seva and caring for our loved ones, we do part every day and that gives us the strength to be in Chardi Kala. So हम इस सिचुएशन से जो पंजाब के साथ हुआ और जो वो कंसेप्ट जो हमारे सामने आए दैट चढ़दी कला का कंसेप्ट आया एंड पाना मन्ना का कंसेप्ट आया. व्हाट इज पाना मन्ना? दैट वी शैल स्टे इन द विल ऑफ द गॉड. उनसे ऊपर कुछ नहीं एंड वी नीड टू अबाइड बाय व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड वी नीड टू गेट आवरसेल्व्स बेटर फ्रॉम द सिचुएशन. सो इससे वी कैन टेक अ लेसन फॉर everybody an individual, an organization, and a student. Every CEO faces its own floods that are challenges in terms of funding की कमी, market shifts, economic downturn, talent loss. So all of these challenges are to be faced by a CEO. So how can the concept of Chardi Kala be applied to these situations? So one of these strategy is optimism strategy. So optimism plays a very key role when resources are thin, but a CEO needs to drive the team for achieving high goals. So if the CEO will be optimistic and keep working, then the team will also mirror that optimism and work in the same manner. The second strategy that can be employed is service beyond self. जो पंजाबीज हैं दे आर डूइंग सेवा इन स्पाइट ऑफ रियलाइजिंग दैट उनका सब कुछ खत्म हो गया है. So a CEO while running an organization needs to adhere by the rule that customers come first, not the business, not the profitability. अगर वो ये सोचेंगे तो that the loyalty that they will earn from the customers will go beyond and will eventually turn into massive profits for that CEO. So service जो वो provide कर रहे हैं to the society has to be beyond the self. Then is institutional resilience. What is institutional resilience? So the concept of langar or the practice of langar is being practiced in Sikh community through thousands of years, and it has a structure that how the langar will be distributed to the devotees. Everybody will sit in the same line. There will be no discrimination. So they have rules. So a CEO can be optimistic in terms of storms if it follows structure, some rules, and those rules are also communicated to the team. So optimism, institutional resilience, and service beyond self will surely help a CEO in facing that storm. Similarly can be applied to a student. Failure once doesn't mean failure twice, of that you are termed as a failure for all your life. You need to be optimistic and keep working on your goals. So what is happening in Punjab is a lesson for all. However, it also insists and depicts a situation that preventive measures could have been taken. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो कमी रही है कि आज इतनी जिंदगियां बर्बाद हो गई. तो I think government is said to be responsible for what is happening in Punjab right now. However, the concepts of Pana Manna and Chardi Kala that the Punjabi community is showcasing right now deserves an applause from every individual living in India and across the India. क्योंकि जो वो करके दिखा रहे हैं without the support of media and the government, वो सच में तारीफ़े काबिल है. So winners कौन होते हैं? Who blend according to the situations and thrive in spite of the storms. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe the video.